It was March 11, 2020, the WHO declared pandemic, coronavirus. I was organizing my video files and discovered a stockpile of old spiritual videos in a digital storage. That put a prompt end to my simple plans. For 3 hours, I opened my computer, search all of my spiritual videos during conferences and convention I had captured, edited and produced over a decade ago during my service to the Lord. As I reviewed our long-forgotten life events, surprised by God's providence, and bewildered by my insensitivity. But for all the emotions those old videos stirred up, when I finally set them down, the one feeling it left me with was gratitude. As a hobbyist videographer, I thought about how journaling has benefited me spiritually, and so, hoping to inspire you to journal or encourage you to keep going. There are many blessings to gain from the simple act of jotting down one's thoughts each day. By creating a platform by a touch and go to watch any parts of the talk from your own time.